Have you ever wondered how the Internet of Things is transforming the business world? It's not just about smart homes. IoT is revolutionizing entire industries by connecting the physical world with the digital one. Today, at RootStack, we explore how this technology is driving innovation in banking, retail, and healthcare. Let's start with banking. Here, IoT enables invisible and frictionless payments. Imagine completing transactions without taking out your wallet simply through wearables or connected devices. Additionally, smart sensors help monitor ATM activity and detect fraud in real time based on user location, raising security standards to a whole new level. In the retail sector, IoT optimizes inventory management. Smart shelves send alerts when a product is out of stock, preventing lost sales. But it goes even further. Through sensors, stores can analyze customer behavior, optimize store layouts, and deliver personalized promotions right when customers are standing in front of a product. Finally, in healthcare, the impact is critical. IoT enables remote patient monitoring through wearable devices that measure vital signs 24/7. This allows doctors to detect anomalies before they become emergencies and manage hospital resources more efficiently, shifting the focus toward prevention and proactive care. Intelligent connectivity is the future of operational efficiency. At RootStack, we help you integrate these technological solutions into your business. If you'd like to learn more about implementing IoT in your company, visit our website and get in touch with us. And don't forget to subscribe for more technology content.